Okay, so I'm going to open the back door here. Look at the back door. Yeah, it is snowing again. I mean, I got snow coming down. I mean, everything's just covered out here. So yeah, it's snowing pretty good out here. Yeah. Lighting's not the best, but we got snow everywhere out here. This time it's sticking on the roadway out there. And it's sticking on the walkway. Kind of hard to see it here, but there's down there's snow on it. That's what we got. And the wind's blowing hard. I don't know if you can hear it in the trees out there, but yeah. So, and I still have a nice warm fire going.